I'm Shini Trinchera Ballesteros, grade 11 Gymnasiums. Welcome to today's video, where we'll dive into a fascinating world of logarithms and explore these fundamental laws. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid group of the understanding the laws of logarithm. We have a product law, quotient law, power law, inverse logarithm property, zero law, and the logarithm of a reciprocal, identity property of logarithm, inverse property of an exponent, and the last is the change of base law. So let's start the product law. Product law is the logarithms. This law states the logarithm of product is equal to sum of logarithms and individual number being multiplied. The formula of product law is log base b quantity of xy is equal log base b quantity of x plus log base b quantity of y. There have an example of product law. Log base 2 quantity of 2 times 4 is equal log base 2 quantity of x plus log base 2 quantity of 4. 2. So that's the product law. Next, a quotient law. A quotient law is this law tells us that the logarithm of quotient is equal to difference of logarithms of the numerator and the denominator. The formula of quotient law is log quantity of x over y is equal log base b quantity of x minus log base b quantity of y. The example of quotient law. Log base 3 quantity of 2 over 4 is equal log base 2 quantity of 2 is minus log base 2 quantity of 4. Let's proceed the power of law. Power of law is, this law states that the logarithm of the number raised to the power of equal is equal to the exponent times the logarithm of the base. So the formula is, the power of law is log base b quantity of x raised to the power of n is equal n times log base b quantity of x. There have an example of power law. Log base 3 quantity of 5 raised to the exponent of 2 is equal 2 times log base 3 quantity of 5. Let's proceed the inverse of logarithm property. The inverse logarithm property is a Pei concept. It is essentially says that the logarithm and exponential are inverse operations. The formula is log base b quantity of bx is equal x. There have an example of inverse of logarithm property. Log base 2 quantity of 2 raised to the power of 6 is equal 6. The next is zero law. Zero law is which states that the logarithm is to any base is always 0. The formula is log base b quantity of 1 is equal to 0. There have an example of zero law. Log log base 7 quantity of 1 is equals 7. The next is a logarithm of the reciprocal. The logarithm of reciprocal is the humbly low to know it. It tells us that the logarithm of the reciprocal number is equal to negation of the logarithm of the original number. The formula is a log base b quantity of 1 over x is equal to log base b quantity of x. The example of logarithm of a reciprocal is log base 4 quantity of 1 over 3 is equal log base 4 quantity of 3. Next is the identity property of logarithm. The quantitative property of logarithm states that the logarithm of a number to its own base is always 1. The formula is a log base b quantity of b is equals 1. The example of identity property of logarithm is log base 4 is quantity 4 is equal to 1. Let's proceed the inverse property of an exponent. Inverse property of the exponent is a counterpart of the power law. It says that if we take the logarithm of a base is certain power, we get to the exponent itself. This is a formula. B raised to the power of log base b quantity of x. The example of inverse property of the exponent is 10 raised to the power of log 10 quantity of 100 is equal 100. So the last one is the change of base law. The change of base law is we can change the base law, which allows us to switch between different bases when working with logarithms. The formula is log base b quantity of x is equal log base c quantity of x over log base c quantity of b. They have an example of change of base law is log base 2 quantity of 5 is equal log base c quantity of 5 over log base c quantity of 2. So, that's all of the understanding of the laws of logarithm. And there if you have it, the fundamental laws of logarithm. I hope this video has been helpful in this concept. If you have any question or there have a specific topic you would like us to cover in the future, please let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more educational content. Thanks for watching and happy learning.